Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you which fuse to check in case you suspect that interior temperature and humidity sensor failed. This video will apply to second generation of Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2024. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. It is definitely a good idea to check this fuse before deciding to replace the sensor. And the main symptoms will be you'll have hard time adjusting the temperature in your cabin. So for example, the temperature might be stuck at blowing hot air even if you reduce the temperature, right? Because the sensor is not working. The fuse you want to check will be located in a fuse box under the steering wheel. Now to access it, you want to remove this cover right here, just pull it towards yourself. And deep inside you will see the fuse box. I will try to zoom in and turn on the flash on my phone. Okay, you can see it deep inside there. Now it's a bit tricky to access it. You can either squeeze your hand through this opening right here, or you can go from underneath and try to do some work from here, right? You can see my hand right here. Okay, and the fuse you want to check will be fuse number 21, which is 20 amp fuse located right here. I hope you can see it. This is the best I can do to record it. If this fuse is good, then you want to test or replace the humidity sensor, as that is actually quite this sensor fails quite often on these vehicles. But to be safe, first check the fuse. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.